Mm.
What up?
Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Mm. The crazy thing is, I was in this long, or I was in this short and got stopped out. But I think we may see a pump here, possibly. We may see a pump here. Because I don't think. I mean, overall, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this thing looks kind of bearish for sure. But I think we pump. I don't think we get a break above this high though. That is a double top. So let's see. Let's see if I can just get a quick scalp. Maybe they're gonna trap high above 87, possibly on the ES, or they knock it down further.
$500 area. The low 500s was a key demand area. I think it was a resistance at 1.2.
Yeah, so on the Nasdaq, I mean, it may find support here, yeah, 510, right here at this low. But yeah, I caught that move down during the pre-market with the ES last night. I figured that they was going to fill that gap before they actually dump. So I had my limit set here at really at 55.94 just in case they tried to pull that bull crap on the ES that they like doing so much. So I caught that. And when I said that my target was at 57 and it bounced at 58, and I woke up this morning and saw that, and I was like, dude, no way, man. No way. No freaking way. So I had to watch the market bounce all the way back, missing my target right here by literally a point. So that was fun this morning. But I'm glad I caught this drop though. So, I mean, we got this drop, we have this retest, and it looks like the bears are trying to finish the rotation down lower. I think the bears may have it today, but I'm going to try for the long regardless because overall the momentum is bullish, but I'm going to try for the long. What are you thinking? Actually, I would rather actually limit it in right here just in case if we do get price to come down all the way here, I would actually prefer to limit in with additional contracts.
I think this is the trap bears. I know it
Think
looks
so?
bearish right now, but I think we go higher, or at least retest the that dang 690 level.
I would agree with you. I really would because actually let me just do this.
Because I'm looking at the daily chart.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they would have to basically, I believe in the move if they get back over, they get around 660, and then I'd be careful of that 690, 700. If they don't, then I'm thinking this could be a could end up being a flag on the 60K chart, but I'm not really sure yet. It hasn't. Gotta wait for it to kind of play out.
Yeah. Well, we know if it ain't going down, and we all know what it's about to do. It's about to go up. If it ain't going down,
Pamp
it's
it,
about to go up.
pamp it.
Oh man, hey, we gotta congratulate our boy Smith for that call out yesterday. For that call out.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. What's up with what did I say, 610?
Mm-hmm.
That's went to 648, then higher. Initially 648,
Mm-hmm.
or it dropped, and then like, hey, we didn't have to.
Yeah, because I was looking at the charts yesterday. I was surprised that, well, I guess because we did have that news, and well, not the news, the earnings, and I guess it did pump the market back up. Um, but I am looking forward. Look at that trap high. Look at that trap. But like I said, they're buying it, but they did just try to trap on here on the ES, and the bulls bought that shit right back up. So I was like, yeah, it looks bearish, but I think is yeah, just like you said, I think we're trapping bears today because we got the bearish move down in the pre-market. And we all know now the flex is the fade, the pre-market move. So we'll see. Yeah. But the ES has filled its gap. The objective is complete. So at least for the ES, it's fulfilled its market objective. That's why I didn't think it was going to go any higher overnight last night. But the Nasdaq though, the Nasdaq, its gap is all the way at 903. So 903 and 886, if I'm not mistaken, is where its gap is. So the Nasdaq definitely has a long way to go before it fills its gap. But it can definitely get there. That's like only 200 points, and we all know that she can do that, especially with Amazon and uh, Apple earnings this afternoon. She can definitely do that. 590. Yeah,
For
they
sure.
probably might trap high above 590. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna keep my orders right here. At this point, I just need to have move my thing up. So once I get my first target hit, what I plan on doing is trailing this because they might try to trap high at 90, and then we might see a drop on the ES. We may.
Yeah, Meadows killing it. Meadows killing it, bro. It's up 9%.
Mm-hmm. Meta got back on ball. It's funny when so I don't know if anybody's familiar with the interview that Mark Zuckerberg did. Uh, Take off some more of this because, like I said, they might try to trap above 90. It's funny when he made that comment about the assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump. His stock fell. He said that, wow, if you were to see that video, how could you not, like the guy or something along those lines, right? And then his stock dropped. But now he's playing ball again with, the election interference and stuff like that. And now he can have his stock high again, unlike Elon. So I just find stuff like that very interesting when you see it play out in real time. But they beat earnings. They definitely saved the stock market last night from dropping. So kudos to them.
Sure.
You play ball, your stock can be with the Magnificent Seven, unlike Tesla, where Tesla can't even get a break. Though. That's so crazy that Tesla can't even get a break at all. It pumps and then it just dumps. Uh, you see,
Uh-huh.
all right, Siri, I'm gonna have to turn you off because I didn't say Siri and you just listening to me and stuff. I'm surprised I even have her on like that. Okay, so yeah, I think well, let's see. Let's see if we can get a bounce back up. So yeah, because I think they tried to trap high above these highs. It looks like a trap high, so Yeah, I'll just reduce my risk on this one. Unfortunately, I should have took off majority of my. Honestly, I'm surprised I have it like this. No, I only got like 10 contracts on this, so I think that's probably why I did that. Um, Probably taking 7 off at 10 and then leaving 3 as a runner. And they trapped by. Hmm.
I wonder if they come in here, pump it, push it back up.
Yeah, I'm actually going to take that bet too because price is literally at VWAP right here on the ES. So I'm going to take that. Because that does look like the start of a two-legged pullback. So we actually might be trying to, the market might actually be trying to retest 590 and get to that 5600 level on the ES. We probably might get to 56 because it's starting to look like a two-legged pullback. So let me actually draw this out, turn the chart trader off. So, I mean, we got this big range that formed overnight. We got this big range that the market is rotating from. So we got our first two-legged pullback here. You can see the support that they built up, and from here, we got price trade back into the range. We have that pullback above the range, rejection below the range, sweeping the liquidity. And now we got price trading into this range and finding support underneath it. So my assumption is that we take out this high and we can possibly get to 56. And there is a level, I'm assuming, here at 608. So I'm going to leave a target there just in case we get there. But yeah, we're definitely going up higher. So,
I'm okay. Let me see. That's okay. First, let it ride. Kept the stops way too tight. I thought it was gonna go. It was gonna go like immediately, but of course it comes back.
take that off, right? No, that's too low, bro. That's too low.
But that would have been, man, that would have been like 30 points right there.
Our boy Smith holding 33 points. What?
No, it would have been. That's not my story today. So far, it's okay though. All right. Is that the
Good morning, Mike Stocks. Good morning. Okay.
well, you got away from me, and Q, you got away from me. Does it push 6? You see what it does here. It like this low to the T, and it's like, nah, go. Back up. Ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, the Bulls are definitely, well, not the Bulls, the Bears are definitely trying to sell at this trap high right here. They're definitely trying to sell it. No, give it back now. You don't get none. Okay. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's definitely a double bottom on the Nasdaq. If you're long the Nasdaq, you should be good. That's definitely a double bottom. That is definitely a double bottom. We'll possibly see a break above that 600 and price trade right back into this golden zone at 630. Yeah, we're definitely going up higher. We can get much harder today. All right, got that one target filled on the ES.
Oh. Hate to see it. leave without you all the way to VWAP. My goodness.
Hold on, you got out of that? Let me get this
I
right
told you
here.
I set my stop too tight.
Oh, did you?
That would have been points right there. It's okay.
Yeah. Nah, we're not playing this game. Yes, you're taking my damn target. You're taking my target. We're not playing games like that. Actually, let me take off 2 right here. What I should start doing is actually doing this. Because I gotta remember this ain't the Nasdaq, man. I gotta remember that about the ES. She's just not the Nasdaq. She's not the Nasdaq. 6.
Oh, minutes. Global U.S. manufacturing. All right, let me clear the boards. Got PMI. PMI, we got construction spending, ISM manufacturing. Okay. Yeah, I probably need to just chill until all that news come out.
Well, okay. So yeah, okay. Honestly, yeah, that does make sense. We might see a rejection. Oh, my bad. Go ahead.
No, I would have been gravy if I just let it ride. That breaks my heart.
Yeah.
Morning, y'all. As you can see, I had a decent entry here, but I got stopped out.
I got stopped up.
40 bucks, but I only took home $35 on that trade. I got stopped out. This messes up 90 points on the 15 of 100.
That's what
points.
we talking about, baby. Let them bears know that this is a bull market, baby. I just knew it, dude. I think like the market does the same shit. If you think the market is bearish, just flip bullish, yo, because all the bears right now are crying. Damn.
I'm crying because I didn't let it ride. No. I was in it
I'm
to
taking
win
that.
it.
I'm taking that, dude. I'm taking
chase
that.
it.
I'm taking that.
No, I didn't want to chase it.
I'm gonna take this. I don't want to be a chaser no more.
The evidence is on the charts, though. Look at that.
Yeah, I'll do that just in case.
That's support. That's support. Support. The evidence is right there. Okay. Dang. All right. Next trade. Next trade.
Let's hope our guy out find another good trade. So yeah. I mean, if you look at my stream and you see the charts for the Nasdaq, when I called out that double bottom, I was like, dude, I'm surprised you didn't see that. I was like, dude, that's going up. That's a clean double bottom on the Nasdaq. You don't get too many of those. When you see a clean double bottom, you got to take that. You got to at least try. You got to try. So they're trying to say that there's resistance at 654, which I don't believe. We might get a trap high. We might get like maybe a pullback, a slight pullback to VWAP or something, possibly, which I doubt. But yeah, this thing is going, man. This thing's going. It's going, dude.
Hold on, let me see it. Let me see. Dang, that is a good double bottom. That's clean.
That is a clean double bottom, dude. That shit is freaking clean.
Oh my gosh. I'm looking at it on the 15-minute chart. That is
a clean double bottom on the Nasdaq, dude.
106 points on this 15-minute candle. Maybe I should. Nah. Okay. Dang, are we gonna pump to 690? Or what? Did news came out, right?
No, we got I think ISM The S&P manufacturing came out, if I'm not mistaken. Let me take a look at
Yeah,
that.
5. It came in. And we got ISM and top of the hour.
Hmm. I mean, we already had FOMC, so all this stuff not is irrelevant. I mean, we've had FOMC. We already know that Powell has kept rates steady, and there's hints of that rate cut in September. It's almost 100% chance the market is expecting a rate cut in September. So if he doesn't cut rates in September, we know it's going to be a massive drop. It's going to be a massive drop because the market is going to continue to trade up higher as what the hell? Okay, yeah. So the market is definitely going to trade up higher. Well, this might be a trap right here on the ES. This might actually be a trap. We'll see.
Nasdaq just chomping through. There's some resistance here, though.
I'll trail
Okay.
one and leave the other one behind. This might be a trap, but I'm going to protect the position. I'm at least give myself 10 points on one contract and just let the last one be a runner. That does look like a trap. Trap.
Higher Nasdaq. Question is, what's a good spot to get in?
Oh, yeah, let me look at that for you. Let me look at that because this ES trade is going to. So right now it's pulling back to that golden zone. I mean, we just had a liquidity sweep above those highs, so I would kind of wait for VWAP, like I said before. I mean, we may get some support here at this golden zone. It does look like it. Oh, never mind. It's gone. Oh, you gotta be quicker than that. You gotta be quicker than that. God damn. Yo, that was quick.
Oh,
Yo, that
we
was
got
quick.
in the chat. Jeremy, hey, I like my shorts just as much as you do, but nah, this thing, we're going to at least test the resistance up there at 690.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and I missed all of this. Jeremy.
Oh, that's interesting.
Hey, don't F around and find out. I'm flat right now, so it's like whatever. Yeah, I feel pretty crappy missing that or letting it go so soon, but there'll be another trade.
Yeah. Always be another trade, man. Always be. The crazy thing is, it's crazy that we feel FOMO when the market does the same shit every day. But we still feel FOMO. Still feel it. Yeah, I think I'm going to be done in this account. Probably switch to one. Well, probably switch to the sim if I get stopped out. Because I made 2K today. Yeah, I'm up 2K. All right, so I'm just up. Is it gonna bounce? That's what I'm talking about, baby. I'll give it one more point, one more tick, one more tick, one more. That's it. That's all I'm gonna give it. Okay, so I'm out. I got a trail. Yeah, it did look like it was going to trap lower. Got my trail. Is that what?
You up?
Yeah, I'll wait for. I'll wait to see how they respond at VWAP because, yeah, like I said, we did get that bullish pump. But at least if you look on my chart and you look at the Nasdaq, we did break out of that downward trend. We did break out. The bottom of that trend is going to be at 572. but VWAP is all the way up here at 600. So it's what do you want to do? Do you want to take a chance at VWAP, or do you want to take a chance here at that 572 at the bottom of this trend line? VWAP is always a good bet, but sometimes price does trade through it though. Sometimes.
So it pretty much rejected at this 23%. Question, do they come in? Do they step their game up at VWAP? 7. Dang. Jeremy, where you short at? Okay, well, VWAP touch, bounce, touch, bounce. You know what? I'm going to set a limit at the golden fib.
So I'll try to scale in 3 right here since my stop is right there. I'll scale in 3 more.
I should have. Thought they were gonna run through VWAP. They definitely bounced it.
They bounced it at VWAP?
Yep. Beautifully. That was how many points from VWAP?
Like 20 to 30.
Another 30 point. Yeah. Gotta be quicker than that.
Quicker than that? Okay,
so my position is market support. Hey, that's how it be. My break even be. My gosh, I missed another good entry. Trying to
be cute. Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, we'll see.
My VWAP entries have not been terrible though, actually. Every time I get in at VWAP, it wants to trade through it. The one time I don't, it treats it as king again, bouncing right off of it.
That's why I'm kind of concerned with my position, because I'll do this.
What, you short?
Hell no. I'm a bear, but not a foolish one.
Stupid. I said I'm a bear, but I'm not a foolish one.
Foolish bear. I do indulge in shorts, but I also like making money more than I love shorting the market. So I'll accept that the bears of the bulls got it.
Hey,
I'll accept it.
When you say all right, that's an indicator right there in itself.
All right. Fine. Fine.
Yo, that is a key indicator. Fine. All right. Market, that's reversal 101. Reversal indicator.
Oh crap, that's why we're going down. Okay. That makes sense. Got this news coming out at 9, but it's only housing news. Or let me make sure. That's what I was like. Okay, no, it's the ISM employment, new orders, PMI, and prices paid that's coming out in 5 minutes. And we all know it's bullish, baby. We all know it's bullish.
We're going to try this again, though. I'll set another limit at VWAP and watch they trade through it if it goes back a second time. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot. I'm limited here. You know what? YM, how you doing, girl?
I've been thinking about you, boo.
I've been thinking about you. YM, how you doing? $128 drop on YM.
So for us ES traders, we definitely got to keep an eye. Where the hell is my mouse? There it is. You gotta keep an eye on this little range right here. You gotta keep an eye because they may try to sell it down right here. But if we can get a break above this and come back and use that as support, we can definitely get these higher targets for sure.
They trying to front run the news, or is the news actually going to be super bullish?
I mean, like I said, I mean, we have power already, so I mean, this kind of news don't really make sense for them to react to, unless it's just the algos that's just going to react to it anyway. Like I said, it makes no sense. We have power already.
Yeah, and they did. Well, everybody, like you said, everybody's expecting that cut.
Yeah.
September. It don't have to be true as long as they think it's gonna happen.
Yeah. That's what you have to accept in the market, man. Spy the rumor, sell the news. I look at old like these old guys teaching people how to trade back in the day before the algos and stuff like that. And honestly, none of the concepts that I know to be true, I see it reflected 20 years ago. Like, think about that. Like, all the price action that we're seeing today, thinking that, oh my God, the market has not done this. Now, it hasn't ran up the way it runs up, no, but the price action itself has not changed. And I'm watching videos 20 years ago. So I'm like, damn, this shit has not changed. The algos just make it more efficient. Mm. Yeah, I was actually thinking about grabbing it and actually taking that because I saw that trap high. Because I was like, that little consolidation, they're gonna probably try to come in and take it, but I was too late on it. I was too late on it. One of the one habits I got to get out of trading the ES is my Nasdaq habits. Letting the price come back all the way to break even and scaling in. That's a Nasdaq habit for sure. That's definitely a Nasdaq habit. All right, let's see. Let's see if they induce the bears or they induce the bulls. Let's see. Historically bullish.
Oh, shoot, yeah. You know what? Oh, is that considered? That's not tier one, is it, for MFF?
No. No, I think tier one is CPI, FOMC minutes, stuff like that.
I think it's gonna pump, like you
Yeah.
said. I think it is gonna pump, but okay. Dang, the books is clear. Books are clear. I think it's gonna pump, but
Damn, dude. No way, no way.
wow, never mind.
No way. It didn't fill my freaking order.
Never mind.
It didn't fill my order. No, that's not fair. Yes, that's not fair.
Run the VWAP.
Yeah, I think that's what they try to do. Fuck, I'm not playing that game, man.
What?
Try to run away, fill that VWAP and run away. I'll get in.
Run away. Away, you baby. Way. About to get crazy. You just run away.
Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. All right.
Gotcha.
That might have been the sweep, the stop out, the sweep of liquidity. It's bouncing here at VWAP on the ES. Run away from me, baby. Run away.
crazy? Can't you just run away? Dumping.
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to the chat.
The risk managers.
Risk
Let me look at the Nasdaq. I mean, it's bouncing. It's trying to support at VWAP. I mean, we're finding support at VWAP also on the ES as well. So
let me see what the numbers do. About to get crazy.
yeah,
Shoot.
yeah, we're about to rock it. You see it? Well, at least on here on the ES. So my bias is now strictly to the upside. We got this two-legged pullback into support, baby. We got a two-legged pullback into support, and we're starting to see that move higher. So yeah, I expect the market now to probably tap into this target right here. And there we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Ever since switching to the ES, I'm no longer in a toxic relationship. I sleep better at night. I'm no longer in trend denial.
I'm no longer in a toxic relationship.
Like like one of those infomercials where the guy's in a collared shirt, he's clean, has his hair slicked back. And he looks dead inside. He's like, after switching from the Nasdaq, my life has gotten so much better. I'm happy. I'm hanging out with friends. I have more money. I never knew how much my addiction was affecting my life. Last week, I opened my bank account and saw an extra $1,000 that I just never knew I had. Half of that is true, dude. I ain't gonna lie, man. Half of that is true. You get so used to spending money on these e-balls with the Nasdaq, and then you realize, like, damn, dang, all the money I spent on these damn e-balls is crazy.
Last
Run away from the
DWAP. DWAP. This is their revenge off that move.
They are definitely trying to buy here. You know, if these bulls fail, well, we know where they're going. They fail here. But I have faith in the bulls. I have faith. I don't have faith. All right, so let's see. Let's see if I may have missed something.
It's about to get crazy. Can't you just run with me? 6.
Actually, yeah, I don't see anything, honestly. Yeah, I don't see anything. Okay, well. I'm not going to move my stop. I'll accept a loss.
That's
I'll
crazy.
accept it. I'll accept it. I'll accept it.
1, 2, 3. Yep. Too late. See it now. Too late. Yep. See
Yeah,
it.
downward trend. Flew too close to the sun on this one. Now well, honestly, if she pumps up. All right, so let's see. So I lost $300 in that move. I mean, like I said, it's a small blemish, unfortunately. Lost 300 bucks. Almost four. All right. All right, so the question is, where do they want to go? Where do they want to go?
90. Golly, 100. Oh my gosh. 100 points.
Okay, so where do they want to go? Where do they want to go? This one already had this up already. Ah, that might have been it. Okay. Yes, before you do all that, let me look at this real quick, bro. Let me look. Let me look. Because they might, I mean, they might find support here. They may find support here. You know what? I'm gonna try, man. I'm trying. If I can hurry up and get. Oh my God, man, damn it, damn, ES.
Oh, wow. Crazy.
All right, so I'm gonna limit in right here. Hopefully she comes back and fills me and continues to go up higher.
560. What is that? 544. Ah.
Oh my God, oh my God, I missed that. Oh, I missed that. Oh my, oh.
It's not fair.
It's not fair. It's not fair. I said, hold up, let me look. God damn. I asked nicely too. I said, please.
Get that on here.
I could have sworn I don't know, dude. I could have sworn I did this already. Unless I was looking at something completely different. All right, man. All right, so what's
Come back tomorrow then. I mean, I should have seen that. Looking at the charts now. See the wicks on here on this chart. Should have
okay?
seen.
So I'm gonna try at this double bottom here. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try. I'm trying. I'm trying at around 64, 63. Price can get down here. I'm willing to buy right there. Right there.
What did you talk about?
On the
Are you talking
ES,
about
I mean, if they push it down this far, I mean, we had a well, huh? I mean that right there. No. I mean, with the EMAs like this, no. I'm gonna need for them to come down here. We may get a small double bottom here where they might pump it back up, but I want the better entry at 63 right here at this area of consolidation and right here at this point of control. That's where I want to get in at. But they actually might bounce it here. Huh. Decisions. They might bounce it here, dude. They might bounce. Let me look at the Nasdaq first and see where the Nasdaq's at. No, the Nasdaq's in a downtrend. Well, I mean, Let me look at this real quick. Technically, it's not. All right, so this is what this is. Well, nah. Hmm. All right, so this was about I'll buy here. No, I won't buy here. I'm not buying here. I'm gonna keep my order down here because I gotta remember this is not the Nasdaq. This is not the Nasdaq. I mean, we may find support here, but without a deep enough pullback, you're gonna probably find some resistance at these highs. But uh, we'll see what happens, man. We'll see.
See on your chart. It look like they're building support right there.
It looks like they're about to run these lows. You talk about on the ES, right? It looks like it's about to. It does look like it's about to. But I think they might run these lows. I mean, I am biased. I kind of do want the market to come down here, but the way that the EMAs are sitting, shit, 74. This would be a 10-point ride up. This would be a 10-point ride. If they do find support, they'll probably see rejection here at 84. Damn it. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? I think I'll miss this one. It's gonna hurt. Damn, there it goes.
Let's go.
There it goes. But I want the better entry, so I guess that's what you got to tell yourself, so you don't when you're crying a little bit inside. I should have took it. Well, nah. I can accept that. Because yeah, I figured that they was gonna kind of trap high right here. Yeah, I'm okay with this entry. I'm gonna keep it here at 63. If I start to see some trouble at 64, I will move my limit up. Good morning, Silica. Actually, let me look at the hourly chart because I'm sitting there looking at the smaller time frame and sometimes I forget. I mean, yeah, that hourly chart is, really bearish. Dang, that hourly chart, dang, the hourly is really bearish.
ES.
Yeah, on the ES, it's really bearish. It's not
Yeah,
as bearish as it. Oh, go ahead.
No, I'm looking at it now.
It's not as bearish as the Nasdaq, but that is a bearish candle for the ES. But I do like there is that strong low at 58. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get in at 63 and probably put my stop. Oh, that's still 10 points. Never mind. I thought I was gonna be able to kind of reduce my risk a little bit, but we'll see. All right, so they came back in at 90. They dropped it. Then we got a pop above, drop, pop. They took the liquidity above these highs after that gap fill, and we got a sweep of liquidity. I mean, are they trying to? Are they trying to get down here to 48 to the 200 EMA? Is that? I don't think so. I don't think so. 33, 63. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it to where is that? I'm keeping it where is that? Hmm.
Jeez Louise.
Yeah.
They about to give up that whole pop. Bounce it here. Daily loss limit.
Okay. Yes, if you break my heart, by bouncing right here instead of going to my limit and bouncing, I'm going back to the Nasdaq. I don't have to deal with this. I don't have to deal with this.
Be dirty. But I think you got that entry though. You
Yeah,
got
I
it.
just gotta take that deep breath and stop trying to feel FOMO. I mean, this is the ES, man. I mean, even if I miss the bottom, the ES would definitely give you an opportunity to get back in. It's not like the Nasdaq where I'll bounce and you'll never get it again. She'll definitely give you an opportunity to get in again. All right. So let's see. So, damn, that was close. And then 65 was that level the last time. I might be, no, I'm gonna keep it at 63. I'll keep it at 63.
Yep, they're gonna take it back into these low 500s probably.
All right, so let's look at the Nasdaq real quick. Oh shit, the Nasdaq is 23%. It's at the 23%. All right, so I should be filled in that order. I should be. Wow. Yes. No, we're not playing that game. Nope. No, no, no. We're not playing that game.
But
And I'm willing to scale in here at this double bottom if it gets to it. And I'll take it all off at 55. And that'll probably be my last trade for the day. Okay. All right, so let's see if the Nasdaq. Yep, the Nasdaq is finally supported at 23%. So,
something on Q though. I see something on it.
what'd you say?
If it breaks that. Oh shoot. Well, let me look at the where 450. 450. Break through this though. Think they might do unless they double bottom all. Double bottom on the 5 minute. The triple bottom on the 15. They don't break through it. Get it then, and Q go get it.
No. Okay. All right, so let's see what happens. I'm taking all this off at 55.75, and then I'm gonna have to probably wait if this doesn't hold up.
Right. You may get a bounce here.
Yeah, I think so too. I mean, it should, dude. It should. Unless this is that old bait and switch where they get everybody bullish and then they trap everybody long and the market just trades down.
No bait and switch.
Put it below this low.
K and Q. Yeah, let's see, like 440.
Yeah.
Dang.
Look at that.
Dang.
Look at that. Okay. All right. Oh shit. Why am I not? Damn it. Damn. Okay. All right. So I'm out of that. Got caught.
Yeah, well, that's it for me. Gotta come back in, do it again tomorrow. I might chill. I was gonna say I might come back in after market, but I'll chill out. I'll chill. Should have seen that coming. Should have seen that charts. I was in chase mode. That was the error of my ways.
Yeah, what's up with that?
What they do at 440 if they get down there. Buying it up there. Or down there.
Okay. And we all know that hindsight is 2020. All right, so let's look at that real quick. We all know hindsight is 2020.
Might not be so crazy, Jeremy. Check the area again. 500 area. Big push up.
Maybe that's what it was going for all this time. Man, look at that bounce, dude. At 53. 53, that bounce, dude. Huh. So I'm not going to chase it on the ES. Obviously, you really can't do that. So what I should have did on the ES was, I was like, dude, are they really trying to go to 48? But it seems like they bounced it at 53 so far. If we can get price to kind of come back into this area, probably 56, 53-ish. But boy, that is a bearish candle on the ES. Damn. We'll see. We'll see. Because it does look like the buyers are coming in at this level. But we're just going to have to get in once the bears kind of fail. And then we're just going to let the market set up a little bit. So let's see if the bears are going to fail here at this level again.
Plus point pullback. Now looks like it.
Let's see.
Break 480.
This is definitely Hmm.
for them. Can we get much lower? Bears just wanna have fun. My bears just wanna have fun.
Nice. Nice.
How about that 700-point drop last week?
Shit, what about that 738-point pump we saw yesterday?
On a daily candle status, yeah. If you got out at the top, yeah, sure. If you long the bottom and got out at the top, good.
What I'm going to start doing, now that you mentioned that, I see this happen too often, and I'm always hesitant to pull the trigger, even though it's done the same thing majority of the time. If we get that double bottom at the close, because for some reason they love doing that, they love doing that stupid double bottom at the close. If I see that, as soon as the market opens, I'm going to buy the first pullback. I'm going to have to reduce my risk as much as possible. And I'm just going to long it, dude, because they keep doing that for some reason. They do that at the end of the session a lot for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay.
You got earnings today, so that could make or break. Let me see. Apple, Amazon, two big players today.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I feel like Amazon may be a miss. I don't know.
We know how the game is played. If the market's going down, that means the market's about to go up. You know how this game is played. Okay. All right, so that's three losses in a row for me. If this thing gets hit, that's three losses. I'm gonna have to cut it. Go to the soon. Don't do that. I'll put it underneath this candle. That's as much I'll give it.
It's down there.
Okay, that's it. I'm done for the day. I think I gave back a lot of my gains today. I was up 2K, three losses in a row. Yeah, I gave back all my profits today. Damn. Damn.
Damn.
All
Well,
right.
I mean, both sides ate.
The Bears got to eat more.
Yeah, the Bears can get to. I was about to say that. You caught that pump, you got to eat. But
Okay.
eat their Cubs finally. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow. That's it for my side. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Mhm. Yeah, that's gonna be it. So I guess they were trying to go for 48 then.
48. Oh, you
Yeah,
talking about? Oh, yes.
yeah, on the ES.
They got to 49.
And that's why you gotta trust in the charts, man. Trust in the charts. Trust in the charts.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hey.
All that work gone. But like I said on the ES, it's not that hurtful on the ES. I mean, it's not that hurtful to lose on the ES like it is on the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
But it is still hurtful. I guess it's more of an acceptance than anything. Dang, so they dropped this thing. Like, dude, they super dropped this thing, man. Mm. All right, so let me see what they could go, because maybe they're trying to go for 48. Maybe they're trying to bounce it here. Like, they are not playing right now, dude. Like, they said, fuck it, we're dropping this market.
Yeah. How low can we go? How low can we go? Hey. I know. Hold on. No way. Y'all gonna go to that 300? I was like, yeah, 375 ish for NQ. I'm like, no way y'all try to get down there.
Apparently, the market is saying, hold my beer, because, dang.
Got you.
You gotta be quicker than
But all right, bro. I'll catch you in the next one. I may or may not see what pre-market looking like
that.
in the
Okay,
end of
man.
the, like how you were saying.
All right, bro.
All right, later.
We'll see, man. I mean, they could try to find support here. I mean, we just got that double bottom almost. Kind of got that sweep of liquidity. So, I mean, they could try. Could. Hmm. When is that? About 64? Could they get this back up to 64? Possibly. Why not? Yeah, there it goes, man. Nice. Well, I should have trusted. Okay, so that's something I would definitely have to put in my journal. Like I said, I have a new rule: 3 strikes, I'm out. I gave back all of my gains that I made this morning. I started off good, and I gave it all back. Gave it all back, man. Gave it all back. So I'm out. I know today's not no damn Friday. Like, yeah. Dude, it's August 1st, though. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I forgot about that. Today's August 1st. Okay. Hmm. Uh, okay, the mental dump started good, then disregarded. Hmm. What do I want to say here? So I started off good. Hmm. Yeah, this market is still dumping. That is so interesting. This market is still dumping. Hmm. Oh crap. So yeah, this might go to 37 or something. All right, started off good and got greedy. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So kind of to elaborate on what I was actually typing. Gameway says that we're in his way, and our prop accounts are in his way. Hmm. All right, so if the market takes out this low, we're definitely going lower. Uh, the bears definitely have momentum right now, but price did trade back into this area of support. So that's what I should have been waiting on with how bullish we were initially in the session. I just didn't believe it, but the market always comes and makes you a believer. I swear it always does. It always finds a way to get to where it needs to go. I was like, dude, there's no way. Like, are they really going to drop the market like that? Is that what we're going to see? And the market found a way to do it. It definitely found a way. So yeah, because that's not okay. That's actually This is actually probably a long right here. Strong low. I'm in the sim. Yeah, I'm in the sim. So my rule says if I lose three trades, then I go into the sim. But if we do see price trade below this low, then it's going lower. Mm. Mm. Yeah, there goes that flush. Yeah. Mm. Hmm. So we got to sweep below this low. So we'll try it. We'll try. Came back up. We found support. We got to sweep below this low. Hmm. Now if the bears, if they don't push it down, because they're gonna sell off this 21. They're gonna sell off of it. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I wonder if they're gonna try to. I wonder what they're gonna do here. Hmm. Hmm. I think so too for Shiro. I think somewhere in this area we can expect for the market to bounce. Somewhere in this area. Because we got this area right here. So if they trade through that, then yeah, I guess the market wants to get much lower. If it trades through that. Oh, oh wow. Nice. 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 Nice one. Nice. Nice. Mm. Hmm. So there's VWAP. So on the higher time frame, so we might see a bounce at 5. You know what? Yeah, you know what? Instead of just talking about it, I'm gonna take it. There's VWAP on the higher time frame charts at 522. And I think that's probably where the market wants it gets to. The weekly VWAP is at 522. Never mind. I guess it bounced already. I mean, unless they're trying to trap. No. They're gonna bounce it. They bounced it at VWAP on the higher time frame chart. I mean, we might see a rejection at 42. Yeah, I mean, there's a trap right there a little bit, but all right. So if I can kind of review, you know, mm, if I can kind of review where I went wrong today, if I can kind of review. I think on a normal day, the areas where I would have got in would have worked. What I should have remembered or what I should have considered, or I did consider it, I just didn't act upon it, which honestly, that's the main thing that matters. We do have big earnings today. So honestly, I assumed that the market was going to trade higher. And I gotta stop allowing my bias to dictate stuff that I see on the chart. It is very challenging to do so. I will say that. It is challenging. Yeah, I think we at least get back up in two. So if they bounce it here, we're at least going here. We can possibly see VWAP, possibly. But they bounced it on VWAP on a higher time frame chart. So let me see if I can actually show it to you guys. Maybe I have it on this chart. Yeah, they bounced it at this weekly VWAP. This is VWAP for the entire week. So, and they bounced it here. So I do expect for the market to hold up. Nasdaq is almost at its VWAP as well, at its weekly VWAP. And it does look like they're finding support. Hmm. Shit. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I guess they kind of did bounce it here. It did bounce it here at this previous area of resistance. Yeah, 29, 25, around 19. They bounced it here. Let's see if the bulls are going to absorb the bears here. At least on Bookmap, I do see that there is a lot of buying here, but we also see a lot of selling in this area as well. So right now, the bears have the momentum, so we have to give them the benefit of the doubt. However, we are in some areas of demand. We did have a massive move from the highs. I think it would be safe to assume for buyers to want to buy here. Yeah, I think it's safe to assume for buyers to want to buy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just start doing that because I'm thinking with that, I think we're back. I'm thinking we're back, baby. I'm thinking we're back. Yeah, yeah, I'm thinking we're back. This is a deep enough pullback. We can at least get back up to 57. We can at least do that. You know what, Tommy? I have not noticed that. I'm actually start to look into that. Hmm. I have not noticed that. Yeah. I mean, actually, let's look at that. I mean, let's look at that. But I mean, for the most part, I try not to let stuff like that dictate. So, at least with the ES now, like I said, I have to kind of get the my Nasdaq tendencies. I have to work through that with the ES. I'm gonna have to. But I mean, for the most part, I'm always going to buy at support or what I believe to be support, and always sell at what I believe to be resistance. I try not to let stuff like that happen. Like on every Thursday, we see this happen, et cetera, et cetera. But I will actually start looking into that because I will admit that I didn't notice that. So last Thursday was the 30th. Last Thursday was the 25th. So let's see what happened on the 25th. Yeah, so on the 25th, we did get this move down on the 25th. We got this massive move up, and then we did get a double bottom on that Thursday, the 18th. Yeah, we got that massive move down on the 18th as well. On the 11th. Yeah. And on the 4th, June 4th. I guess June 4th doesn't count because that was or July 4th doesn't count because I think that was a holiday. Now the 27th. Yeah, technically that's a down day. The 20th, I guess, well, yeah, the 20th. Yeah, it was down. The 13th. Yeah, that was down. The 6th. Huh. So I guess, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, so I think it did touch VWAP though. It's confirmed now that they did touch VWAP. So I'm gonna actually keep that in mind. So they officially touched VWAP on the ES, and I'm gonna yeah, they're almost here at the VWAP on the Nasdaq as well. They're almost here. Hmm. All right, so it does look like they're finding support on VWAP or at VWAP. Man, that was such a good drop to the downside. That was such a good drop. Such a good drop. Hmm. Let's see if they get down here to 14. So Tommy said he was short at 600. Congratulations on that short. Yeah, that was a great short. Great short. Hmm. So it took out all this liquidity right here so far. All this liquidity got taken out so far. The question is, are they going to try to go for this liquidity down here as well? Hmm. Apparently. Okay. So I'm guessing that this is the dump after the power pump. I mean, I guess it feels that way because that's very consistent. That's very consistent. All right, so the Nasdaq touched VWAP on its hmm. 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 I guess the real question is Are they going to give up this entire move? So actually, let's look at this down because I don't use it. I mean, so we got people. Let's look at that. We got people at 5010. I don't think we get down to 500. That would, then that would be, well, that would be a 100-point move on the ES. We're about 10 points away. Uh, hmm. Hmm. Should have saw this one coming. Should have saw it coming. Okay. All right. That's what I have to do. That's exactly what I have to do. Exactly what I have to do. 506. Exactly what I have to do. Okay. So what I'm looking at, what I'm trying to determine, I'm trying to determine where the market wants to go here. I mean, I see this range right here, this big range. I saw that we had price trade back into this range, price trade into it, did that. We had this, and then we had a range expansion. We had the market trade above this range. Now the market is back into this range now. It's back in this range. I mean, it could be going for 500. I guess it would kind of make sense. This is actually something I need to actually write in my journal and just have something for, because I'm trying to. I'm not trying. Like the stuff that Tommy said, like stuff like that is very important because the market just does the same thing. It's not like it doesn't change or anything. It does the same thing, just differently. What to improve on. So just kind of being more mindful, being more mindful. Feels like I spelled that right. Okay, I just want to make sure I did it right. Just being mindful of what's happening in the market. I mean, we've had a big move up with no pullback. We had a big move up. We have Apple and Amazon earnings today. We have non-farm tomorrow. I mean, stuff like that is what I have to consider. So what I'm gonna start doing in the morning, I'm gonna have a checklist. I'm gonna have a checklist that I'm gonna refer to about market events because I gotta, like I said, I gotta get out of that Nasdaq mindset because I'm trading the ES now, focusing on the ES, and the ES kind of respects all these news events and crap like that. So it's not like it's the Nasdaq or anything. So I'm gonna start doing a checklist about what's happened, what's going to happen, so we don't get caught in days like this. Actually, something else that I did do right is I lost 3 trades and I stopped. I followed that rule. I lost my 3 trades. I broke even for the day. I lost 2K of profit. And instead of going back into revenge trading, I stopped. So that's something that I did do right. And I still want to continue to do is I stopped. So I have to give myself props on that. But I had to recognize that I did get greedy and I disregarded the charts. I did get greedy. I disregarded the charts and I disregarded news, I guess. But in defense of my original position, what I was originally going for, I honestly thought that they was going to originally just dump the market here at 606, 607 in this area. I mean, I guess them dumping it at 601, I guess, whatever. I guess. But I really thought that they was going to come back up into this range right here. And we was going to dump at 607. And if we saw that dump at 607, then my mindset would have switched from being bullish to bearish. But this was my bias this morning, and this is what I was aiming for. And so originally, I thought that they was going to bounce it, get to 607, and then dump it. But the market did not do that. It did not do that. So just stuff like that. Just have to kind of just be mindful of stuff like that. As I look at the higher time frame chart, this kind of does look like a reversal pattern. It does. I'll have it one tick above this candle just in case. This would be a good risk to reward trade right here. Because this is looking like a strong low, at least for right now. If the bears are successful in selling the market down past this low, we can possibly see this 500 level right here. Yeah, 500 to 499. But if they find support here, this will be considered a strong low, and we can definitely see at least some recovery. I feel like if we find support here, the market can trade back up into 60 at least, right here at this breaker structure. Right here at this breaker structure at 60 is where, if we can find support here, we can see that move up going back into 60. But the bears are trying, you can see them trying to try to take out this low right here. So on the ES, I'll just be watching for this pop. I'll just be watching for it. If we get this pop, then I'm willing to go long here. If not, then I'll just look for the next trade. Okay. And that's exactly where I would want my stop at it, exactly here. So it does look like we're getting that pop. It does look like we're getting that pop. And this is definitely where I would keep. Yeah, my targets are actually in a good spot. Because right now, we're in this big downward trend. This big downward trend right here. I guess this will be the start of it. Kind of right there, I guess. Because it's like a small micro one. It's like a micro channel. Yeah, like right there. Okay. All right. Can't wait to say he's closing his short position. Yo, congratulations on your short gain weight. Congratulations, man. And Tommy, I'm definitely going to start looking at that now. I'm definitely going to start looking at that correlation because, yeah, I did not notice that. I guess, like I said, I don't pay attention to stuff like that. The only thing I know is that on Fridays we usually pump. Historically, we pump on Fridays. Historically, we pump at, or not all I know, but that's all I keep in mind. When it says proper prop firm management is not to blame. Yeah, it does look like the Bears are trying to trap high here, but I think they're going to get trapped. I think the Bears are going to get trapped here. But we still got to give the Bears the benefit of the doubt, though. I mean, we saw this massive move down, so we have to give them the benefit of the doubt. But I think the ties have turned. Let's see. I think the ties have turned for the Bears. Ugh. Hmm. Yep, we just trapped the trappers here. Yep. The Bears try to trap the Bulls. Not, oh crap. Now the Bears are trapped. The Bears try to trap the Bulls here. Yeah, the Bulls are definitely going to have to hold up this 21 EMA. They're going to have to hold it because a strong close above below this 21 EMA will definitely induce more sellers to sell. Mm. I don't think so. So we got this move down. I mean, unless they're trying to bear flag this like right here. Hmm. I will never subject myself to such weakness. Such weak way of thinking. This is the ES. This is Sparta. Yeah, definitely. I mean, you can see them battling for this right here, but I've already saw the pattern. I've already seen it. The Bulls got it. The Bulls definitely got it. The Bears are definitely trying to protect themselves here, but the Bulls definitely have it. He says Sherm fought his war. Yeah, we get a break of this high. All them trap Bears. Yeah, I mean, I've already seen the pattern. The Bears did get that retest of this low, which I mean, I was kind of anticipating, but the Bulls had it. Once we saw this this pattern right here, I just knew that the Bears had it. I'm not the Bears, the Bulls had it. And now it's going to be smooth sailings because now, I mean, the Bulls still got work to do. We got to run these stops above these highs. The Bears, we still got to give the Bears the benefit of the doubt, but I mean, they ain't gonna beat no double bottom. They're not gonna beat no double bottom like that. So I mean, if we can get a push right here and we can swipe the liquidity above these highs, and then we can definitely see price trade back up into this. The Bears are definitely trying to protect themselves here. Definitely trying to protect them. And we see like a hidden channel right here. A hidden channel right here that the Bears are trying to sell off of now. You said look at Euro. Euro. What's a symbol for that, Alfred? I'm not familiar with that. I think I've got a lot of this stuff. Euro USD. I'm pretty sure that's what you're referring to. Pretty sure that's what you're referring to. It looks like so. Let's see. Assuming you're saying Euro USD. Hmm. Oh, you're talking about the London session. Oh, okay. It says look at the Bear market pops up on NQ. Okay, so let's see. The Bears are definitely not giving this up without a fight. They are definitely not giving this up without a fight. Definitely not. I do see a small range right here forming. A small little range. The Bulls are definitely going to have to protect themselves here. A strong close underneath these lows. The Bulls are done. Yeah, I thought the Bulls had it here. Thought they had it here, but yeah. Hmm. Hmm. And at that point, that's already too much. Okay, so now that we got that, no, that was a sweep of liquidity. That was a sweep of liquidity. I don't trust that. That was a sweep of liquidity. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna have to actually start looking at that too. At least for right now, I was saved by the hair on my chinny chin chin. At least for right now. At least where my stop was. So I'm gonna have to actually consider that as well for the ES because it does move back and forth 10 points for the most part. So if you're looking for bigger moves, having a 10-point stop, depending on where you get in at, will probably be the best option. Hmm. Tell you that chart geometry does not work. They came into this hidden channel right here, and now they're selling at the top of this hidden channel. Like, oh, They broke out of this channel and formed a new downward channel to sell off of. Hmm. Okay. All right. I'm out of that. All right, guys. That's it for me. That's it. That's it for me. Like I said, I'm glad that I got out of my account and chose to trade in the sim because apparently I'm just not seeing the market. The market is going straight down, and these are my worst days. What I'm trying to really discover is how to really counteract these types of days because when the market goes in a straight line, these are my worst days. I'm trying to find an effective strategy on how to combat days like this. When we don't even get price action, we just get one way. When the market just basically selling to one side of the market. On the base, or we're seeing price action, not price action, but only one-way markets. I mean, even though we went straight up, I mean, we got pullbacks. I guess all this trading right here is what the market really wanted, and then use up all that liquidity to go down. Yeah, I agree with that, Marquise. I believe with that. And that's why I hate these days because I'm never going to sell low and I'm never going to buy the highs. I'm always going to buy at support areas and I'm always going to sell at resistance. And these are why these types of days are always my worst. It did look like the Bulls at least wanted to come back and at least come back into this area. But we didn't get that today. I guess the market wants lower for Amazon and Apple this afternoon. So the question is, where is the market trying to go? Where is it trying to go? Because if the market, I mean, let's actually look at this before I actually cut the stream. Let's look at this. So, I mean, even though we've had all that bullish euphoria to get everybody bullish again, technically we are still in a downward trend. And I was actually looking at this the other day and I was thinking to myself, shit. We probably still got a lot more room for downside. About 452 would be kind of the bottom of this range. 452, 450. I mean, not this range, the top of this trend line. We get like a vertical line. Let's see. About 460. Yeah, I can see a bounce at 460. Yeah, why not? Yeah, we have point of control. We have a lower day at 460. We have point of control also here at 460. So obviously this little area right here has been an area of interest to the market. And we can't be blind to the fact that it lines up literally at the top of this trend line. So I'm going to be looking at that area for a possible bounce. I'm going to be looking there. You see another? Yeah, it does break through that area. I mean, we're done. The markets definitely can touch into this area if it doesn't hold this little 500 level. If it doesn't hold. So well, I just hate these types of days, but all right. I think that's like I said, that's it for me. Let's actually see if they hold that. They hold this 505 area to 499. See if they hold that. Because yeah, a definite break below this. We're going here. For the Nasdaq. I mean, damn, the Nasdaq still got. Oh man, we still got a lot more room for downside. The Nasdaq looks like this on the higher time frame chart. Huh. All right, so let's see what happens here at 175. If the market trades into 175 and we don't see a bounce here, that 113 area will probably be what we want to be looking for on the Nasdaq. This big range right here. This big range. And let me see if we got any fib levels there, because I drew these fib levels out. Like I stopped adjusting these every day and just letting them ride. Yo, these golden zones they're definitely holding up. So 175, coincidentally, look at that. It's sitting here at the 23%. I don't say that that's a coincidence. And I also said something about like 113. 113, just that 50%. The golden zone would be at 1990 to about 85. Damn, look at that short, man. Look at that damn short. Ugh. What's that damn short? But all right, guys, that's all I have. We'll do this again tomorrow. We'll come back strong for Friday. We'll make this money back. But all right, guys, appreciate you guys joining. Peace out.